Since my hubby has been creating all these amazing breads,
See links down below.
I decided to use the bread maker to make a cake.
Well, I'm not a big fan of these sediment forget 'em kind of machines.
Not everything has to be a Hollywood production now, does it?
When I bake, I like to bake.
Yeah, but we're so busy nowadays that we need to be able to make a cake fast, simple, and super delicious. And much more than that, it's really healthy compared to what you can buy in the stores. Therefore, we have replaced the butter with 250 ml of olive oil to avoid animal fat. Then we add 3 whole eggs. We put all the liquids first so it's easier for the machine to stir it. The juice and the zest of 2 oranges.
These are actually from our own garden and super organic. They haven't seen anything but water and Greek sun.
True. And the zest. Oh, you get all the essential oils, fantastic aroma. 300 ml of water. 50 grams of cocoa. 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. And 200 grams of cranberries, very rich in micronutrients and antioxidants. 450 grams of honey to replace the processed sugar, which is actually the worst. And at the end, we add a kilo of whole wheat flour. This is actually stone ground, so not so much finely processed. And 16 grams of dry yeast. We stir it up a little bit so to assist the machine to knead nicely our dough.
Yeah, it's kind of coarse, the flour, so it needs a little bit of help.
Now we put it in and we see you in 3 hours. Cake is ready and cooled down. Let's sneak a peek. Wow!
That outgrew the machine. Huh?
It's massive, but it's also 1.6 kilo. Let's take it out here. Ooh, look at it. Look at that baby here.
That's ginormous.
Well, if you don't have a bread maker, you can also make it the conventional way, in the mixer and bake it in the oven. But I find it so much easier like that because I only have 1 pot to wash off, so it's perfect. Let's try and cut a slice.
Let's have a look here.
Let's have a look. See how dense that is because of the whole wheat flour, so you don't get any empty calories, not to mention that all of the ingredients have excellent medicinal properties. But again, if you do worry about the calorie intake, you can also replace the honey with stevia. So it will be much more reduced. Let me try it a bit. Excellent. That's my happy breakfast.